Hello everyone, hope you watched my first video. I'm going to tell you how to draw the ears and everything else. So, first, from the viewpoint I'm doing it from, I draw the ears like this. And if you're drawing pointed ears, I'm going to do that in another video, so. Always remember to just and then these are the eyebrows. You can draw a few whiskers hanging out of those, but if your dog has these, or the dog that you're drawing, I should say, then maybe even draw a few other furs like that. And then here's how this will help you. Draw the furs near this darker. And if you have a short-haired dog, then draw the fur short. I'm not going to draw too much of the fur because I want you to be able to do it. And I recommend colored pencil for that. And then make them get lighter as you go out. And of course, color the ears a little darker too. But not too dark. Don't want to have too much contrast. And this is my dog, Bailey. Okay, so this is my finished product. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I'll be giving more of these. It'll even give someone how to draw cats too. So, have a nice day.